Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name Iwanudin. I'm from PBI 2B English Department Kuningan University. This is an academic listening and speaking course, a segment about academic journal presentation. And this is Ali Erslan journal entitled Instagram as an education platform for EFL learners. Okay, using mixed methodology, there are 219 university students learning English were included in the survey, and IT students took part in the experimental part of the study, which was designed to explore the impact of Instagram on student language learning process. 6 students from the experimental group were also interviewed for their opinions about the Instagram used during the experimental part of the study. Crying out quantitative and qualitative analysis, the findings show that Instagram is the most frequently used social media platform among the participants, and then favor using it for educational and language learning purpose. Okay, the introduction. Regarding Pew report, a total of 4 billion people are active user of the internet. There are 53% of the total population of the world, or 7,593 billions, while 3,196 billion people are social media users, or 42% of the world population. Literature review. Instagram, which first appeared in 2010, was launched as a photo sharing platform, and over the time other new features such as video, texting, and story sharing have been added, which contribute to its growth greatly. Argues that Instagram can be used as a source for applying a number of activities in language classroom, like digital storytelling, grammar activities, group photo, role plays, reading, and of course speaking activity through video. Thus, Instagram addresses to for language skill to practice the language in and outside the classroom. Additionally, some studies were conducted on Instagram for developing writing skill. Okay, this is the uh, methodology. This study was conducted adopting mixed method approach. Initially, a survey study making use of quantitative approach uh, was unit list, and an experimental study with a pre-test and post-test design was followed by an interview with the student from the experimental group. Thus, this study makes use of a number of data collection tools, a scale in survey study to unveil student opinions regarding Instagram use of educational and language learning purpose, and then student achievement scores in the experimental study, and finally interview protocol to understand student opinion regarding their experience of Instagram following the experimental study. And the second research part of experiment, as many as 80 students studying at the Department of Linguist Teaching. Okay, next. This is the data. Finding for the research question 1, the categories for the first, having internet connected personal computer or mobile phone. Uh, the answer yes, there are 217 or 99%, and no answer or answer is no, there are two people or one person. And the second question is having social media account. Answer is yes, there are 202 or 92%, and no, there are 19 or 8%. And time spent on internet, 1 hour until 2 hours, there are 30 or 17.4%, and 3 hours until 5 hours, there are 110 or 19.2%. 6 hours until 7 hours, 28 or 12.8%, and more than 7 hours, there are 26 or 11.9%. Less than an hour, there are 15 or 7.7%. And the last, using social media for educational purpose. Yes, there are 168 people or 76.7%, and no, there are 51 or 21%. So this is so the finding for the research question 1 from using social media, Instagram social media. Okay, next. Using Instagram for educational purpose. Using Instagram for educational purpose would be convenient from 219 means 3.15 or deviation 1.13 30, sorry. Okay, this is data show using Instagram for educational purpose. Okay, and this is data Instagram for a linguist learning purpose. I learn new vocabulary when I interact in English with other people. The mean is 3.89, and deviation 1.19. I see that my English has improved since I start interacting with people on Instagram. There are 3.44 or deviation 1.21. I believe using Instagram helped me learn new English language structure. There are 3.31 and deviation 1.27. I prefer Instagram because I can communicate with different people from all over the world. There are 3.59 and deviation 1.332. Okay, this is the data about Instagram for a linguist learning purpose regarding student opinion. Okay, next. This is a diagram. The Instagram from 0 until 119. Instagram, there are 165, and Twitter is 115 50, and Google 100, Facebook 80, Snapchat 90, and Pinterest 40. LinkedIn, this is 30, and Tumblr, this is 20, and other there are 30. Okay, so Instagram is the big people is application. So this is Instagram. There are 165. Okay, next. Results of discussion and conclusion. The first one, social media platforms have become a part integral to student daily practice. And the second one, be a solution to traditional classroom learning barriers. And then social media can be the basis for self-study. The fourth is Instagram is a source of knowledge. And the last, global coverage makes Instagram a good social media to improve the skill of linguist education. Okay, the source, the authors is Ali Eslan, Yabanci Dealer Egitmi Bolumu, English Dili Egitimi Anabilim Dalibas, Alanya Aladin Kubat University, and the email is alierslan@gmail.com. The Turkey Online Journal of Education Technology, July 2019, volume 18, issue 3. Okay everyone, that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.